This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by closing Outlook and saving any open items. This prevents file conflicts. Next, confirm whether your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit so you pick the correct update binaries. Once done, connect to a stable internet and create a system restore point. That gives you an easy rollback if anything goes wrong. Now open Control Panel to access Windows Update or Office Update. This is the first actionable step to fetch official patches for Outlook 2010. You run Windows Update and prioritize optional Office updates, so Outlook receives security and stability fixes. If Windows Update doesn't show them, manually download Service Pack 2 or the latest Office 2010 cumulative update matching your bitness. This ensures compatibility. During installation, close background apps and follow prompts. Installers may extract files first. Allow the installer to finish completely and only restart when prompted. This preserves update integrity. After reboot, verify Outlook opens and that updated build numbers are applied. You finish by opening Outlook and checking the version under File Help or Account to confirm the update installed. If Outlook behaves oddly or won't start, run Office Repair from Programs and Features. That fixes missing or corrupted components. Make sure to apply all pending Windows updates as well. If repair fails, use the system restore point you created to revert changes, then retry a clean install. One tip: disable add-ins before updating to reduce conflicts. Re-enable them one at a time afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.